Membership websites are one of the best ways to earn recurring income in 2026. Let's look at the top WordPress membership plugins that help you build, manage, and scale a membership site with confidence. Number 1. Paid Memberships Pro. If you want to build a real membership site without hitting a paywall every 5 minutes, this is the one. You can create tiers, lock content, and even accept PayPal or Stripe right out of the box. I was selling memberships in under 20 minutes on my test site. Ridiculous control over pricing, renewals, and access levels. You get detailed reports on who joined and paid. Cons: the interface is dense with tabs inside tabs. The design isn't flashy, and things like email automation require paid add-ons. Pricing: a free plan available. Paid plans start at $299 a year. Number 2. Ultimate Member. This is for those who want to build a community rather than just sell access. It allows users to register, create profiles, and message others without touching the WordPress admin panel. Pros: one of the best front-end experiences. It feels like a social media network inside WordPress. Cons: the setup can be overwhelming with 10 different menus. It doesn't include payments in the free version, and you might run into occasional theme conflicts. Number 3. Membership for WooCommerce. If your site already runs WooCommerce, this is a total no-brainer. You just create a membership product and decide what it unlocks. Pros: seamless integration. Billing, renewals, and refunds happen automatically. It's very reliable once set up. Cons: it's not lightweight. WooCommerce is already heavy, and this adds to it. Settings are buried in menus, and the visual design is a bit boring. Pricing: free version, pro version for $129 a year. We also provide WordPress development support, so if you want a WordPress website or blog, or you're looking for someone to maintain your WordPress site, hire us at BuddyDevelopers.com. Subscribe this channel for more update, and thanks for watching.